Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put apps on Chromebook home screen. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all I'm just going to go to the official Google Chrome help support. So to pin a web page or add an app, you just have to go to the end corner of your screen, select the launcher, find the app you want to add, right click the app icon, then just select pin to shelf. It's that simple guys. You just have to select the launcher, find the app you want to add, right click the app icon, right click on the app icon, then just select pin to shelf. And this is how you pin an app to your shelf. The app will stay there until you remove or move it. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.